what should our members stay away from? What are the biggest mistakes that people make in the treatments arena?
The biggest mistakes people make is they try to cut corners and buy from Canada or Mexico, and it always bites in the ass. So avoid that like the plague. The other biggest mistake is people ramp up a little too fast, even if maybe they got some family with money, or they got some money to play with. They staff up and they buy all this equipment, and they start with too much too soon. So even if I had $1 zillion in the bank and I was going to start a med spa, I wouldn't start with 3 technologies and 10 injections and hire 4 staff and 50 grand a month of marketing. I would like truly baby step it and walk before I run, and kind of dabble and just go really low budget, low expenses, and just get my feet wet, because you're going to make mistakes. You're going to screw up, and it just takes time. It's a learning curve. And so most people I see, they start a little too fast, and also sometimes they just quit their job and they jump in head first, which is great. It's great to have a passion for something, but nothing wrong with kind of continuing to pay your bills while you're figuring something out. So maybe you're a nurse and you're at the hospital and you're doing 3 12-hour shifts a week. Don't quit your day job. Keep your nursing job. You still got a couple of days to start on something like this. And so kind of wait till you got some income coming in until you slow down on whatever your income or your revenue source is that pays the bills. A lot of people kind of get too excited and jump too fast, and they walk away from whatever's paying their bills thinking that they'll be profitable in the second month, and all of a sudden shit, second month turns into the 8th month, and they're regretting that move.
I can't tell you too how many times I see every single day with our clients that we mentor that they did that. I keep telling them, like, press the reset button, decide to be extremely happy in your job right now. Be very happy in your job, because that job is funding your side gig. Push a reset button, decide to be really happy. Just see them as a beautiful funder. And also if you're in a social environment, like I said, like a hospital or a practice of some sort right now, they're your clients. I have one client who works in a bank. And that's her client base. Like, she just networks through everyone at the bank. Take your time, decide to have fun with it. Be very, very passionate about it, but decide to take it slowly and not be an overachiever when it comes to the pace.